Hey guys, in this section, we're going to take a look at else if. Now, else if statements will be slightly different to if and else. Now, what they will do is check another statement, like another condition. Remember, this one is the default, right? This is the condition we want to check. And then the else if will be another condition we want to check. And then it'll jump to the else, which is the default. Hence, or like if is not true, and then if else, like else if is not true, then it will go to else. Now we can insert that under the if statement, like else if. Then we can have another condition. Let's say this party is highly exclusive, then it wants also people greater than the age of, or like people greater than the age of 40, greater than or equal to the age of 40, to be kicked out, or something like your age limit, or you are above age limit. And then we're going to pull this else statement in here. Now what we have here is a statement that checks if age is greater than 40, greater than or equal to 18, I mean. And then if that is true, it's going to go to this one. And that's going to check for, if this is false, it's going to go to this one. But if this one is also false, it's going to go to this one. Now I want to show you what's going to happen. This is wrong, by the way. This is wrong. But I want to show you what's going to happen. Now enter your name, Josh. Please enter your age. Let's say the age is 40 years old or 41. This person is not allowed if he's 41 years old, right? But it's going to say, welcome, Josh. Why is it saying that? Because as soon as this one is true, it's going to ignore everything else. Because if you're looking at this, 41 is greater than or equal to 18. It's greater than 41. That's true, right? I mean, it's greater than 18, right? So it's going to execute this and it's going to ignore everything else. So this should be a priority. This statement should be a priority. 18 should come after this, and 41 should come first, right? And we're going to replace this statement with the first one, right? I'm going to paste this one here. Like this. Now this will be the priority, as if this one was first, it would skip everything else. Like it would ignore everything else and just perform the first one. Now let's run it. I hope that wasn't too difficult for you to grasp. And if you are having trouble understanding this, just leave me a message on the comments and I'll try to explain it to you a bit in a name of Yuji. And the age will be 15 years old. You're underage. But let's check for someone who is who's 41 years old and greater. So I'm gonna give it an age of 41. Oh, my bad, I just gave it a name of 41. Okay, I'm gonna give it an age of 41 anyway. You're above age limit, so that right there works. If I give it an age of 30, why do I always make that mistake? Let's just stop and rerun this. Please enter your name. I'm gonna say Gojo. Please enter your age. 30 years old. Welcome, Gojo. Because yeah, it checked this one and then this was false because 30 is not greater than or equal to 41, but it is greater than or equal to 18. So that's how else if statements work. And later on, we're going to take a look at a little bit more if statements. So please stay tuned.